Hello investors and traders, they'll speak about 3M stock analysis. I remind you the 3M stock company is a great dividend stock. Now its current dividend yield very close to 6%. Actually, it's a very high dividend yield. So today I will check fundamental and technical analysis of 3M company stock. So let's start. We see its current price $105. So from its high levels, the stock already down 60%. It's a great discount. Let's have a look on its chart. So here what I see, using the Elliott waves analysis, Elliott theory, I think it was an impulse here, the first wave, the second, the third, the fourth and the fifth. Also we can see that the third wave, usually the largest wave in the impulse, can be reflected as another impulse. This is the first, the second, the third, the fourth and the fifth. Then now of course in a correction, most probably it may be ABC move. I think maybe that the wave A finished here, and now we may see a bounce at wave B. By the way, the correction of the wave B usually can be about 30 to 50% from the previous impulse. So using the Fibonacci levels, we may see that actually it can be this area 182 to 167 to 145. So to this area we may see a bounce. It can be the wave B. Actually I'm expecting to see bounce to these levels. Also, if we will check the RSI, the momentum indicator, so we see that now in the weekly time frame is 40, so it's telling us that the stock already oversold. That's why it can be, I can consider it as a nice levels to buy this stock right now. So let's have a look on the fundamental parameters. We see market cap of 57 billion bucks, dividend yield 5.7. 3M company is a technology company which manufactures industrial safety and consumer products. It's operates throughout the following segments: safety and industrial, transportation, electronics, healthcare, consumer, and corporate. So the valuation now, P ratio is only 11, it's very cheap. NPS 1.6, it's also very cheap. The average P ratio for S&P 500 now is 15. So if by the way I will check here for last 8 years. So yeah, we traded very low. Historically we see P ratio of 30, 20, now it's only 10, so now it's very really very low. So the valuation is cheap. The profitability is okay, net profit margin is 17 and the gross margin 44. By the way, we see that the revenue last years is very stable, and the marginality is also very stable, actually the same level. So we see that very stable business with a nice marginality. The revenue breakdown, as I told previously, 33% the company earns in safety and industrial, and transportation and electronics give the company 26% of its revenue. The breakdown by country: in the US the company earns about 40%, and Asia Pacific about 18% from its revenue. Let's have a look on the 3M dividend history. So we see dividend yield 5.7%. The dividend increased track record 66%. So actually we see that now it's a dividend king. It's a company that increased dividends more than 50%. So very impressive. And the annualized 3-year dividend growth is is higher than 1%. So actually It's a very positive and nice sign. And the dividend payout ratio is about 60, so 60% from its net income the company pays as dividends. So here I also see a room for the company even to increase its dividend payments. And also please pay attention here to the amount, to the level of debt. In 2018 it was 21 billion bucks, now it's only 16. So now we are at the interest rates environment highly we are in an environment of elevated interest rates. The Fed fund rate is now 5%, also is expected to be increased, hiked in the future weeks. So of course it's a positive dynamic that the company decrease its debt level. Let's have a look on the projections for the future quarters. So EPS, earning per share, is expected to grow in the new year 4 quarters, and the revenue as usual expected to be very stable, 7.5 8.2 billion bucks per quarter. So very, in my mind, very stable business, very highly predictable. And now you also can buy this stock, this company with a great discount of more than 50%. By the way, the company performance in this year is down more than 30%, but anyway, you receive a dividend payment around 6%. And also it's highly possible to see capital gain for this company, and the stock of this of the company's stock may increase. So it's my view on 3M company stock. If you like this video, of course press the like button. If you're interested in the stock market, fundamental technical analysis, dividend stocks, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and see you on the next time. Bye.